Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Luckily, you said that you've been seeing me every day. You'll see me every hour from now. I've been involved in a number of things in West Africa and in Africa. In fact, tomorrow I'm going to Kenya. On the 14th, I will be in Liberia for the rerun elections. That is what we've been doing. So I'm like a roving ambassador, seeing how we can bring peace to the sub-region, to the continent, and indeed, our country. This happened actually, it's almost like a week ago, but we couldn't. And today, it now coincided with the judgment of the Supreme Court yesterday. So it was an opportunity for me to also congratulate Mr. President, and we talked a lot about the country. And so you'll soon see me, because there are certain things we discuss that the country must move forward. And elections are over, so we must move forward.
So with the success of the decision, how do you see Nigeria?
Yes, that is what all Africans are saying. I had the program, my foundation had what we call Democracy Dialogue, and Professor Lumumba spoke. And he emphasized the need for Nigeria to take a lead in Africa. Because, yes, we have challenges economically now, but we still have what it takes to lead. And these are some of the issues I will continue to have a conversation with Mr. President, including briefing him on all my foreign programs, because they are not personal issues. As traditionally, former presidents go outside the country for this continental, regional program, even some international. You come home, you tell your president. So that's the tradition. So most of the time when you see me here, it's because of this thing that we must do. And to move Nigeria forward, to move ECOWAS forward, to move the African continent forward.
Your Excellency, with the current state of...
That's what exactly I've been saying, because we need to bring everybody, all our political leaders, including all the former presidents, together. We will not be fighting. If we fight, like this common saying that when two elephants fight, the grass suffer. If top leaders continue fighting, they will not suffer that much, but the down road is that suffer. And we want to end all this tension and so on. So we move forward.